Come clean the fridge with me. Yes, it's about that time, child. 'Cause my fridge was dirty. This thing here was giving me such a hard time, dude. And I'm like, my husband's not home to move the fridge. And my kitchen is very small. So I figured it out though. I've noticed that cleaning it now, how much my table mats work wonders. So you'll see here a little hack that I do with table mats. I use them for inside of my fridge. They're great. They make the fridge look pretty and colorful. And there are. They also, when the kids spill something in there, it's a lot easier to clean up. Just remove them, clean them off, and we're good to go. There it is. Oh. Went food shopping, so definitely had to restock and get ready for the weekend. Want everything nice and clean, so that way Big Mama can just relax. So let's just get all these fruits and stuff in here. The kids love their fruits. My oldest, he just eats fruits, like that's his thing. So had to get some more of those. You guys look at here. I cut them for the little drawers. They came out so good. Definitely a hack that I think everyone can use. It's just perfect and pretty. And oh my gosh, I love them. Yes. We're not done. Gotta make our way to the freezer. So bear with me, you guys, and let's get this done. Rearrange, restock, clean up. You know that cycle.